All right. Want to go over two commission questions that you are going to need to conceptualize for your PSI real estate exam. So, as we're looking at this, the first question says a house sells for $195,000. The total commission rate is 6%, of which the listing office receives 2.5%, and the selling office 3.5%. Katie, the selling agent, receives a 60% commission split. How much will she earn as commission dollars? And so we look at this thing. I think one of the big things we need to keep in mind is they're talking about the selling agent and the selling office, right? So those are going to be my two big things that I need to make sure that I'm focusing on. So as we're going through here, we're going to look at the home is selling for $195,000. All right. And the selling agent, which is the buyer's agent. So selling agent equals buyer's agent. We know that they're going to get 3.5%. So we are going to multiply that by 0.035. That's going to give us $6,825. And Katie gets 60% of that, right? She's splitting that with her brokerage. So $6,825. We're going to multiply that by 0.6. And that gives us $4,095. So again, $195,000 times 3.5%, which is 0.035 as a decimal, gives us $6,825 times 60%, which is 0.6 as a decimal, equals $4,095. This is how much Katie is going to be getting in gross commission income. The second one says, assume a real estate salesperson sold a residence for $100,000. If the broker's commission was 6% and the salesman's was to receive 45% of the total commission for the selling the property, the salesman would receive what? So in this one, again, the home sold for $100,000. And when we're going off of here, this is a 6% commission. So it is 0.06. So we're going to do $100,000 times 0.06, and that gives us $6,000. So $6,000 is going to the brokerage, and the salesperson gets 45% of that. So then we're going to take $6,000 and we multiply that by 0.45. That's 45% as a decimal. And that equals $2,700. So as we're going through, $100,000 times 6%, which is 0.06, written as a decimal, is $6,000. That's going to the brokerage. Out of that, the brokerage is going to split with the agent, and the agent's going to get 45% of that. So 6,000 times 0.45 equals $2,700. So again, like as you're going through and doing these percentages into decimals, make sure that you understand how to do this, because you will not have the ability to hit the percent button on the calculator because it doesn't exist. So get very comfortable converting percentages into decimals. This was real estate math in regards to commission rates. Hope that was helpful. See you next week.